Today I will be sharing some $1 Christmas DIYs for your kitchen. Enjoy.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
So for the first one, this is my little hot cocoa bar coffee area. I just like to decorate it every year for different holidays. So this time I added a few gingerbread men in there. So what we're gonna do is move up right here to the cabinets. Now this is a very easy DIY. Again, you can use whatever you have, and that's what I'm doing. I didn't buy anything for this DIY because I already had it. What I'm gonna do is wrap these two cabinets above my coffee area with some ribbon and a bow. I'm using some red ribbon and some Walmart bows. All you're gonna do is use painter's tape for this. This is super simple. You don't need to place the ribbon all on the back area because that's just a waste of ribbon. All we're gonna do is place it in the front like this and add a little bit of tape right here. And lastly, all we're gonna do is take a Walmart bow and place it right in the middle. You can make a bow out of your ribbon if you don't have these bows, but I really love using these because they are so inexpensive. I got 10 for $2.48. And I'm just using the tie in the back of it to wrap around the ribbon. For this next one, I have a clear canister in the middle of my island. Do not mind the bland wreath. I'm trying to figure out how to decorate that. What I have is just a little bit of sugar in here. I have a cutting board. I think the biggest canister you can have in your, because I know there's different sizes. I believe I have the biggest one from Walmart, and they're such a good price at Walmart. I've been having it for years and years. Target Dollar Spot house, and then a Dollar Tree blocked Christmas tree that was only $1, such a steal. So when I saw them, I picked up 3. The first way, you can just easily take any piece of Christmas greenery or florals, and I have 2 right here. And this is from Hobby Lobby. It came on a big stem. And I also have another 10 pack of these really pretty striped Christmas bows for $2.48 from Walmart. It comes with a tie like I showed you in the first DIY. All you're gonna do is just take it right here in the front and then wrap this around the 2. And then to stick it on right here, all we would do is just take a piece of this gift trim from Walmart, or whatever trim you have, whatever twine you want to use, or another piece of ribbon, and I'll just add it right here in the back and wrap it around. Another way would be to take more ribbon. I have this really pretty Walmart ribbon, and I'm just going to tie it around the handle. I picked up these bells from the 99-cent store. just because I saw them, but I also have some from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take one of each, and I'm just going to hang them from here. All I did was tie it around the knotted area, the little bells, and then what you can do is just clip off the ends. And I do have them different lengths just to make it look a little, I like it better that way. So I picked up these canisters for only $1 at Dollar Tree. There's a lot of different things you can put in here and different ways you can style them. They have many different, kinds and sizes. So I really like these because they're actually pretty large compared to previous little jars I've seen. So I'm gonna wash them real quick, and I'm gonna show you that you can place stirring spoons in there. I found these at Dollar Tree. Another fun thing you can do is just add a bunch of fun Christmas stuff inside. So I have a bunch of cookie cutter options. These are from Dollar General. They came with 6 for $1. And then I also have these fun ones from the 99-cent store. There's 4 of them. They're outlined with red, really cute. And then I have the little small metal ones. Wait, these were from the 99-cent store, and this was from a giant dollar store. So that's a different place. And then I have bells right here. These little dollar Christmas trees from Dollar General, and some fun ribbon. And what I ended up doing was removed a few things because it looked too full, and I added some little pom-poms from Dollar General. I got this big old pack for only $1. This area right here is where this is my island, and above here is where I have the canisters and jars. So this is what I have right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it like that once I add this DIY. I want to make a cookie cutter garland. I have Walmart ribbon I'm going to use. Different cookie cutters that I found. So this is the pack I showed you earlier. I'm going to take this one and wrap this around it. And I decided not to use it as a garland. I'm going to just tie it around here and hang it up on there. And I'll show you that in a second. I already did the other one, which was the Christmas tree. This is my dining table area. Now I'm gonna move these chairs out the way so y'all can see better. What I'm gonna do for this is I'm gonna do a table runner with some wrapping paper. These specific ones I'm using are Dollar Tree. Excuse my floor. I don't mop it or clean it until after my DIYs because then I'm just gonna keep making a mess. I already have my tiered tray decorated already. I did that a couple weeks ago. This is my wrapping paper I'm using. All right, I didn't like the combo of the 2 that I just showed you, so I brought out my other Dollar Tree wrapping paper. I have a really pretty Santa one, some red and white striped ones, and a joy one. So I'm gonna play around with it and see what I like. I actually got the inspiration for this from Instagram from someone I follow named ASHTONSEDITA. ASHTONSEDITA, if I'm not, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. She's awesome. It's very entertaining and she does some really pretty decorations. This is what I think I'm gonna do. I know it's a little busy. I wanted to do like a solid one and then another like printed one on top. That's my puppy out there barking. Can go all the way to the end with it, but we sit at the table every night to eat, well, almost every night, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna, you see how I left those sides and this side kind of free. Wrapping paper runner is a little busy and it does look a little much, but I actually really like it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. If you have a dining table, I know a lot of houses or homes have two, like a breakfast nook and a dining area. I only have one little dining area. You could definitely go all the way with it. I think it would look nicer like that. If you don't use it too much or your kids don't use it, that's you would be able to do that. But I hope you liked the idea of this, even if you don't like all the busyness of mine. I think it's a cool idea to do, and obviously very inexpensive. I have this area in my kitchen next to my fridge. So I made this a while back with some paint sticks and I just stained that, and then I bought that sign from Hobby Lobby and put that above. So I would like to do something with this area because it's just bare all the time. And I also have a, I don't know what that hole is from, but I need to cover that. The double-sided tape is going to come in handy again because I'm going to use it to place this right here. I want to leave this here. I don't want to move it. That way once Christmas is over, I can just take this off. You can pick up any type of utensil holder, a cheap dollar vase. I picked up this vase from another dollar store that I have in the area for only $1.49. If it's not the color you want, but you like the vase, you can spray paint it like I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a matte white spray paint, and so before doing that I'm just going to wipe it clean with any type of cleaner, that way the paint sticks well. Once this is dry, I am gonna go ahead and make a rim of red with my Cardinal Crimson apple barrel paint, and I just have a sponge brush. I'm just gonna go along it like this, and I believe I'm gonna do the same at the bottom. came out really pretty, and I forgot to mention why I decided to line it with red. Like Christmas antique pieces, they have some bowls that are like that. So that's what gave me the inspiration to do that to the utensil holder. And I have this piece of fabric that I've been having for years and years. So I'm going to use this to cover up the middle. I'm also going to add a little Target Dollar Spot tree that I've been having for a while. And I'm going to add utensils in there. I picked some up from Dollar Tree. So I have this 4-pack of white mixing spoons. And I have 2 spatulas, a red Betty Crocker one and a white one. I removed one of the spoons and then I added another red spatula that I already had. I'm going to add just a couple of candy canes in there. I have a rolling pin with red handles that I bought at a thrift store a while back. I'm going to put it right here. I have a little Christmas pick. I think I'm going to place it somewhere right here. And then I'm going to add some of these Dollar Tree ornaments. Just spread. I'm going to spread them around here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one.